Best humidifier for grow tent. In this video, we review the top 5 best humidifier for grow tent. Number 1. Homasy 4.5L Cool Mist, Best Cool Mist Humidifier. Homasy 4.5L Cool Mist Humidifiers, top filling humidifiers for bedroom, 28 decibels quiet ultrasonic. 4.5L powerful humidifiers for large room with 4.5L large. Top filling design for easy refill and clean. Homasy Cool Whisper operation for night sleep. The humidifier runs in low 360 degrees rotatable nozzle designed rotatable nozzle, every auto turn off and safety to use with a built-in intelligence. Features: can keep the moisture level within 40 to 60%. 4.5 liter water tank capacity. Operates under 28 decibels sound level. Compatible with oil essence. 3 mist modes to switch between. Comes with a 280 milliliters per hour humidifying rate. Number 2. Vicks 1.2 gallon, Best Warm Mist Humidifier for Grow Tent. Vicks filter-free ultrasonic cool mist humidifier, medium room, 1.2 gallon tank humidifier for baby. Vicks filter-free cool mist humidifier, this cool mist. Vicks humidifiers for babies, kids, adults, humidifiers. Cough and congestion relief, when you or your kid has a cold. Vicks vaporizers, humidifiers, and steam inhalers, moisture and humidifiers for bedrooms, desks, tables, are humidifiers and features. 1.2 gallon water tank capacity. Can run for 30 hours straight. Takes 95% of the waterborne bacteria out. Keeps the temperature ambient. Number 3. Crane Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier, Best 1 gallon humidifier. Crane Drop Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier, filter-free, 1 gallon, 500 SQFT coverage, air. Variable speed settings, no matter the humidity level you. Whisper quiet. Crane's Drop Humidifier runs whisper quiet. 1 gallon tank. The 1 gallon tank fits under a standard 24-hour runtime. The drop humidifier runs up to 24 hours. Easy to clean. Crane's easy to clean humidifier design. Features: runs on 120 volts household power only. 96% reduction of microbial organs. Covers up to 500 square feet of area. No filtration is required for soft water. Safety shutoff feature. Number 4. Pure Guardian H965AR Humidifier, Best Rated Humidifier for Grow Tent. Pure Guardian H965AR Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier, 70 hours. Runtime, 1 gal. Tank capacity, 320. Cool Mist Humidifier, the Pure Guardian H965 Ultrasonic Cool. Silver Clean Protected Tank, Silver Clean fights the growth. Aromatherapy tray. The aromatherapy tray option helps create additional features. This tabletop humidifier has a low. Pure Guardian, by Guardian Technologies, offers a full range. Features: can run up to a time span of 70 hours. 3-speed mist control. Low water indicator light which lets you know when to refill the tank. Easy to clean 1 gallon water tank. Ideal for medium and small sized grow tents. Cord length, 5 feet. Number 5. TaoTronics Cool Mist Humidifier, Best Cool Moisture Humidifier. TaoTronics Humidifiers, 4L Cool Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier for bedroom, home, large room, baby room. 4L tank capacity, works for all night, over a gallon of. Informative LED display, built-in humidistat tells you the night light and sleep mode. Choose to turn on the night light. Safe to use, automatically shuts off when water runs out. Please do not use essential oils, which will damage the features. Works for 12 to 30 hours at a stretch. Sports a 4-liter water tank. Covers grow room or tent within 107 to 322 square feet. LED display with RH level. A long lifespan of the filter. Dust-proof sponge to prevent dust entrance.